Hi, Pat here. I have an MCS cassette deck. It does power on, but I can hear the motor running. And when I hit play there, it stops and goes to rewind. Rewind works. Fast forward works. But the play doesn't. So let's take the cover off, take a look at the inside. Take a look inside here and look. Broken belt. Imagine that. But there is a date here. November of '81. So gives you an idea when it was made. I got the mechanism out. And everything was unplugged except for this one wire. But I did go ahead and put a new belt on there and see if I get this thing back in there. Yeah, I was able to get to this belt right here. It goes right there, and I slipped it through that hole there. I was able to replace it without taking anything apart, and I went ahead and treated this pinch roller and cleaned it up. I got my speed tape in here right now, and as you can see, numbers are just all over the place. And let me turn the volume up on the stereo and you should be able to hear it. So let me see if I get that cleaned up and settled down so it holds at a solid number. What I'm doing here, I got just a little piece of Scotch-Brite. And I got it in play right now with the running. I just get down there and I let it lightly run over that pinch roller there. It'll clean up nicely, get all the glaze off. Another thing I did while I was running, once again I got my Scotch-Brite. I just let it run along that pulley, polish that up and clean it up real nice. Except on this one, I don't have it plugged in right now. That's where the 110 comes in, so you gotta be careful. I got one channel going in the amp here, and you hear just how much smoother it is. I got blank tape in right now, just testing out to see if it records right. So, rewind it a little bit. So the recording went well. I got regular tape in now, and it's sounding good. And it does have a search here. Hit fast forward, and it'll go to the next track. And there it goes. It'll do the same in reverse. So this tape deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.